Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product mail hour lists. So firstly I am thanking you that you are watching my mail hour lists review, and in this video I will give you my bonuses. I will show you the product from inside. This is the members area of this tool and this is a solo ad type product. Like you can think of the free traffic inside your website, not like free traffic but traffic inside $9 or approximately $10. Inside $10 you can get more than 31,000 members. Like this is the maximum range of members, but if it happens to be 2,000 or 5,000 members inside your link, inside your product, that will be very amazing for you. So this is the tool, let me show you. So the first thing is welcome interview. So I am leaving this because there is nothing much to show you, but inside the main training section the tutorial or the submit your solo ad section is given. Inside the solo ad section given, you have to put your email address, and inside this spelling is written wrongly. I think double S will be there, double S should be there. Okay, so the thing is you need to write your email, you need to write down your email, and if you want to write down your email by them, you need to pay more, okay, or they will charge you. Okay, so you can write your email and you can send them, and you will be given the traffic in from 34 websites, and the websites are given, the examples of websites are given inside this page. So these are the websites: My Traffic Promos, My Promo Ads, VIP Traffic System, Elite Ad Business, Ultimate Traffic Club, Simple Traffic Site, Premium Ad Exchange, Exclusive Ad Club. And that is the thing, from these websites you will be getting the traffic. And this is a tool, like the main thing is to put your link. After purchasing it, you can put your link and you can expect a huge number of traffic inside this tool, inside this pack. So basically if you wanna get more traffic, if you are happy for the after using it firstly, then you need to purchase it again. Okay, so that is a good thing, you can purchase it again and you can ask for more traffic, like if you are happy with the first usage. Okay, so this is the thing, and apart from that there are some bonuses given, these 5 bonuses, and there is nothing much to show you. Dawood Islam is the vendor of this product, and 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available, and you can purchase it from this website, exactly from this page. You can click on the description link, you will be sent to this page, and from this page you can click on this button, or there are 2 more buttons inside this page. You will be redirected to the sales page, and from this sales page you can get the tool directly with my bonuses. Okay, this is an automation process. So the front end bonuses are here. Total 30 bonuses will be given you inside the front end, as I have mentioned here. And inside mega bonus, if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the mega bonus. Inside the mega bonus you will be given 400 plus stuffs, and most of them are software and also plugins, also image pack, also music tracks, loop musics, and stock footages, and everything is there, PLR products. So these 30s are the front end product, and these are the vendor bonus. I have mentioned the vendor bonus here. Like here I have mentioned the 5 bonuses. Some bonuses comes by default with this product, and if you want to know about upsell bonuses, then you have to purchase the front end. Apart from the front end product, you have to purchase the upsell product, any of the upsells, and you will be given the mega bonus. So that is the thing I wanna say. I have told you everything. I think I have convinced you. So I am signing out for this video. Have a good day. I am thanking you again that you are still hearing me, you are still watching the video. So bye bye.